Good morning. I am Alok Kumar, student in Galgotia College of Engineering Institute. Today we will discuss about the engineering chemistry, that is syllabus. We will discuss about that is unit first, atomic structure and atom and molecular structure. Now we will first discuss about the topic that is known as molecular orbital. That is the whole confusion about me and starting today, but that is clear on the molecular orbital. That molecular orbital is Hund and Mulken in 1933. It was prepared by Hund. It was prepared by Hund and Mulken in 1933. In 1933, the molecular orbital is all about the finding of bond order, bond length, or any of things. It, they have two atomic orbital combined to make a molecular orbital. They have don't we? I am told about with me without any notes. Starting starting we will starting about the molecular orbital theory. The it is prepared by the Hind and Mulken in 1933. The two atomic orbital combined to make a new molecular orbital, and that if two atomic orbital are comparable to make a energy that is known as molecular two atomic orbital make a comparable energy to make a molecular orbital without comparable energy they are not one molecular orbital, and they have two two types, that is bonding and anti-bonding, that is, and they have two types, bonding and anti-bonding. They have find the magnetic behavior, that is known as paramagnetic, diamagnetic, and they have the finding of the bond length and order of bond, that is the qualities of molecular orbital. They have find in fact fractional values, not in, they have find in numerical value, also known as fractional value bond order, that is the molecular orbital, and they have to spin up, they have to spin, and they are depend on the molecular orbital depend on the energy state, and they they are principle of work on above Hund and Mulligan, above Hund and Pauli exclusion principle, that three are integrated in molecular orbital, that is known as molecular orbital theory. Bond order, bonding into minus anti bonding minus bonding upon 2, bonding minus anti bonding upon 2, number of number of bonding minus and number of anti bonding is known as bond order. Now we will discuss about the structure and definition of molecular orbital theory, but I don't know about not about I don't know about first the how to calculate bond order. That is something or nothing that we are study about oxygen, nitrogen, but that is enough for me. I understand the more comprehensive process that is known about the molecular orbital theory. Next, we will discuss about liquid crystal. Solid, liquid crystal. This the liquid crystal properties are lie on the between of liquid and solid. That is known as liquid crystal. It is a matter that the properties lie on the between crystalline solid and liquid. That is known as crystal, liquid crystal. Okay. Now example, collateral acetate and collateral benzoate. Two example of CS3 or done. I don't something CST CO CST COO C27 H35 H45 CS3 COO C27 H35 and collateral benzoate C6H5 COO C27 H35 45 and properties of properties of liquid crystal have similar to solid and liquid. They have volatile in nature, volatile. They have likely to be hard and they have low high viscosity. Liquid is liquidity is same, viscosity is same. Properties are similar to solid and properties are similar to liquid. Optical activity are same, arrangement of same, with liquidity of same, and I don't know about something that is viscosity is same. That is liquid crystal are two type, thermosetting, really thermotropic and leiotropic. Liquid crystal are two types, that is thermotropic and leiotropic. What about thermotropic and leiotropic? That's something, but we not recall them. I again talk to you. That is pneumatic, symmetric, and cholesteric. Like that, they have any functional order, bond order. I don't know something. We are revise them. Thermoset, not. What is this? That is thermotropic and leiotropic. That is two types of liquid crystal. Thermotropic, leiotropic. Thermotropic, leiotropic. And thermotropic again three types, that is pneumatic, symmetric, and cholesteric. They have cholesterol like structure. They have no functional order, bond order. That's something. Thermotropic liquid crystal. They are formed by change in temperature. Thermotropic, thermal change. Thermotropic, thermal change. They have change in temperature, then they form of thermotropic. And pneumatic, they have thread-like structure. It do not have positional order. Pneumatic have no positional order, thread-like structure, no orientational order. It does have. They have thread-like structure. It does not have positional order. It have thread-like structure. Thread-like structure, no positional order, and they have orientational order. That is pneumatic. That is something. And symmetric, they have layer-type structure, layer-like structure. They have positional order. They have orientational order. Pneumatic, no positional order, only thread-like structure and orientational order. Semantic, systematic, that is known as systematic, that is semantic, SEMATIC, SEMATIC. That is layer type structure. First thing. Next, they have orientational order, they have positional order. Now we will move on the cholesterol. They have cholesterol like structure and they have no positional order, no orientational order. Now we will move on leutropic liquid crystal, that is they are formed by change in concentration of solvent. Oh, that is known as leutropic. If change in temperature, that is thermotropic, and if change in concentration of liquid is known as leutropic. That is liquid change. Leutropic, tropic is change, and liquid, that is liquid change of concentration, that is known as leutropic. And that is solid, liquid, gas, that is for what type of graph? Solid and pressure and temperature, pressure and temperature, pressure and temperature, pressure and temperature. If they can find phase diagram of liquid, solid, and between phase diagram between pressure and temperature, then you make downward is left, that is solid, down that is solid down to liquid, and upper is right is liquid crystal. Solid, liquid, vapor. Downward vapor, leftward is solid, and upper right will be what? Upper right will be, that is you are something. Solid, liquid, and vapor, that is left upper is right upper will be liquid, and you are defined them OA, liquid solid, solid to liquid, liquid to solid, and that is something for we define in next week. First we discuss about the something ion types. Now pressure and temperature. Pressure and temperature about in, that is the graph of both are different, but vapor pressure, that is too different, that is known as liquid crystal pressure temperature, or there is vapor, solid, liquid, but this graph is solid, liquid crystal, liquid below the vapor, and that is the three changes of that thing. Application of liquid crystal. First application they have used in LCDs, watches, TVs, laptops, and something are other than, that is known as liquid crystal. And they have used in thermometer. They have used in to detect cancer cell. That is use of thermography, that is to detect the cancer cells. Thermography, thermal, temperature, graphy, temperature find, and temperature find is will be thermotropic. Thermotropic is known as liquid crystal, that is used in thermography for to detect cancer. Liquid crystal distillation and liquid crystal thermometer, that is the high range of thermometer we will. Holistic liquid crystal reflect the color depending upon temperature. Okay. They are used in telescope lens for image clarity. Image clarity they are using. Now we will move on graphite. Can you discuss about something? Graphite. Graphite. What is graphite? It is a they have although that is the properties. But we discuss about what is graphite. It is a soft and lubricated. It is a carbon made particle. It a par. It a carbon made particle that is known as graphite. Weak under what forces I know. Graphite properties. That is first features of graphite. Features sandwich like structure, thread like layer type structure, sandwich like structure, layer type structure, weak van der Waals forces, two dimensional, hexagonal ring, one carbon atom attached three carbon atom, and they make a covalent bond sp2. Now properties. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity, soft, lubricant, slippery, and graphite used in lead of pencil. They have high melting point. Not an application. I will discuss about weak van der Waals forces and slippery. I discussed about already. High melting point in graphite because something else. Why graphite is used soft and why it used as a lubricant? Because there is a weak van der Waals forces is known as slippery and lubricant. Application of graphite. First we use in pencil about the writing. Next, other application. I don't know. That is used in lubricant. That property you know, but not told. It is used in nuclear reactor. Okay. That is used in chemical industry in form of anode to graphite. It is used in chemical industry. Anode is graphite. Drug delivery, paint, refractory material that is capable for elementary high temperature. Now, buckyball. Bucky Bagman C60 and Fullerene. C60, Fullerene and buckyball. This is known as buckyball as well as structure of Fullerene. First layer type structure, and that is also known as allotrope of carbon. Without carbon they have not made in Fullerene. Arranged in the form of hollow sphere. They have hollow sphere form. General formula of N 80 60 70. Soccer ball like structure, that is carbon called is buckyball. Soccer ball like structure, that is known as buckyball. C60 they have first they have two time mesh, first hexagonal and they have pentagonal. 20 pentagonal and 12 is hexagonal present in Fullerene, and that is two things, and that is one carbon atom attached three carbon atom, or discuss about many properties. 20 hexagonal and 12 pentagonal. 20 hexagon and 12 pentagon. 20 hexagon and 12 pentagon. 20 hexagon and 12 pentagon. They have two hexagonal link not attached. Good conductor of electricity, Buckminster fullerene, high thermal energy, high melting point, lightweight, highly symmetrical, lightweight, highly symmetrical, lightweight, highly symmetrical. That is known as fullerene. लाइटवेट होता है, हाईली सिमेट्रिकल होता है. एप्लीकेशन मेडिसिन, ड्रग डिलीवरी, सुपर कंडक्टर, स्पोर्ट, मटेरियल साइंस, कॉस्मेटिक्स. मटेरियल साइंस, कॉस्मेटिक्स, that is for you application of fullerene. Material science, medicines, material science, medicines, drug delivery, tennis, superconductor. To move on, nanomaterial. Nanomaterial are the material which structure having a 1 to 100 nanometer. That is known as nanomaterial. This structure is 1 to 100 nanometer is known as nanomaterial. They have two properties: size dependent property and large surface area. Large size dependent property and large surface area. Size dependent property and large surface area. Silver, bulk, nanoparticle, red pulper. Fast direction, that is known as catalyst. Catalyst, that is also about the fastest reaction. They make a fast reaction. Self assemble. Example: carbon based nanomaterial, fullerene, and carbon based nanomaterial and metal based nanoparticle. Carbon based nanomaterial, fullerene. Material based nanoparticle is silver and gold. Synthesis of nanoparticles. Nanomaterial or nanoparticle is something are different, not that is enough to say. Bottom up approach, top down approach. Bottom approach. First we make atom to molecule, molecule to particle. But top down approach, first we destroy particle, then molecule, then atom, then bulk. More expensive, suitable, not suitable, less expensive. Cluster, atom cluster nanoparticle. Atom cluster nanoparticle. Atom cluster nanoparticle. Atom cluster nanoparticle. Less expensive, suitable for large scale product. Bottom down approach. Bottom approach. Bottom up, top down. Bottom up approach is best for top down approach. Definition of bottom up approach. The nanoparticle are built up atom by atom. If we make atom by atom, then is known as bottom up approach. This is less expensive. This is suitable for large scale production. Top down approach definition, they have nanoparticles are synthesized by breaking down bulk material into smaller size. Breaking down in bulk material into smaller size. Bulk material into smaller size. Application: catalyst, silver and cadmium, silver and gold. Input: To protect UV rays, sunscreen or cosmetic, titanium oxide, food industry, paint, medicine, drug delivery. Carbon nanotube, CFD, that is two types, multi-wall carbon nanotube and single wall carbon nanotube. But first we discuss about the carbon nanotube, then we move on types. That is cylindrical shape, graphite sheet rolled up, carbon atom hexagonal, sp2. That is graphene. Graphene sheet hexagonal manner. SWCNT and MWCNT. sp2 carbon nanotube. CNT carbon nanotube. ये ग्रेफीन से बनी होती हैं. sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज होती हैं. graphene sheet rolled up. Now we will move on the properties of good conductor of electricity, high thermal stability, lightweight, easy to use, storage, much stronger than steel. Much stronger than steel. Steel have less strong about this. That is much stronger. Application: electronic industry, medicine, aerospace catalyst, medicine, aerospace catalyst, medicine, aerospace catalyst. Green chemistry: it is the design of chemical product and process that reduce or eliminate the use of hazardous substance. Basic principle of green chemistry: prevent waste, atomic ecology, design less hazardous chemical synthesis, use catalyst not in stoichiometric coefficient, safer solvent and reaction condition, design safer chemical, increase energy efficiency, design for degradation, analysis real time, prevent pollution, minimize the potential of accident. Nano वो method: microwave synthesis, biocatalyst method, grain solvent. Three types of microwave synthesis, biocatalyst, grain method. Biocatalyst, microwave and green chemistry. Adipic acid, COOH, CH2, 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 COOH. 4 CH2 under the cover of COH. That is known as adipic acid. 1,6 hexadioic acid. Conventional method: reduction of benzene, oxidation of benzene to cyclohexane, cyclohexane to cyclohexanone, and cyclohexanone to adipic acid. How to catalyze? 3s2 nickel and O2 CO catalyst, CnNH4NO3, 60 to 80 carbons. Drawback: benzene is carcinogenic and highly volatile organic compound which is harmful for human health environment. Green method: glucose or reaction with E. coli. That is next we will discuss about the structure because I don't something know. Paracetamol. Paracetamol. We are paracetamol. I don't know something conventional method and Green's method, about something that today we will cover one topic in engineering chemistry. Thank you.